Hello, this is Chris at Prestige Auto Sales in Ocala. The phone number here at the dealership is 352-694-1234, and the address is 2261 Southwest College Road. And when you arrive, you're going to see that pretty flag, patriotic horse, and that green roof, and you know you're home. Just want to take a quick 90 seconds maybe and highlight a fresh arrival. This is a 2013 Infiniti. This is the Big Q. And this one has 21 service records in the CARFAX. Third row seating, leather. It has what Infiniti calls the theater package, which was a $3,100 option. I believe these things list for the mid 70s to mid 80s. This one has a smoke-free cabin. Look at the condition of that carpet. Stitching, the seats are not torn in any way. The driver's seat, the center armrest, those items that tend to show a lot of wear. This one has none of that. Navigation, backup camera, steering wheel controls, quad seating. Just a nice vehicle. 21 CARFAX service records. And our sale price is probably going to be right at close to $50,000 less than it was new. It's a 2013, just turned 100,000 miles on it, so it was driven much less than the national average. This is Chris at Prestige, 352-694-1234. And you come in and mention that you've seen this, and I've got a special price for you. This is Chris at Prestige, 694-1234. We'll see you at the store.